Hello friends, and today we are going to make this happy little shape because it's not tricky. It's like 4 by 3 centimeters. Okay, so basically it's just a circle. Let's drop the circle here. This. Then the second circle is just the offset of this main circle. Let's just do it like this. Over here somewhere, I guess. Next circles on the sides, and they are a little bit tricky because they are not just the circles. They are a little bit, if you look on it closer, it's not the same because it has a little bit of angle here. How it actually done is just circle that has this oval shape, more oval, I think, a lot more, and it's a little bit turned, something like this. And now we are going to alt-X it to the other side. Basically, this mesh is just a bunch of circles. It's a 2-point circle because it has 1 point in this intersection thing, definitely. And the second one, yeah, I think something like this. Straight line down. Let's just take it, Alt-X. Here is this shape, beautiful. Offset here, 1.2 millimeters is good. And the same offset here, 1.2. Let's make the circles. Yeah, one going to be here, 90 degree, and Alt-X it to this side. Let's just extrude it, 4.25. It should be like this. Just a little bit of this. Kinda hide this one, and I want to kinda make it inside. Yeah. And let's do a like this. And T for keep. I will drop here just one little like this, like small bevel here. This top part is gonna have this thing here. And definitely I think, yeah, we made it too much here. Something like this will work better. Okay, let's drop the circle somewhere here, I think. Definitely should be something like maybe somewhere here. Or if we want it like in the middle for 100%, I think just drop it here. This position is a bit better. Whoa, why it's... And this guy, it's actually this thing. Okay, let's make it like this. And let's drop the point, central point, yeah. 1, 2, boom. Actually, let's do Shift D here, so we will have just one nice profile. Okay, and I need to move it somewhere. Let's just move it on the level of this guy. GV, let's drop it here. GX, let's drop it here. So yeah, basically should put it here somewhere, and let's just turn it somewhat like this. Alt-X, and drop it here. Okay, and let's just do it like this. Okay. And that's our shape. Yep, we will just boolean it out. Good. And the same as here. Juicy little boolean. Okay, over here. And we also need to bevel these guys here and here. Just a little bit. Yeah, to make it more juicy. Let's do it a little bit smaller and drop it a little bit lower. Good, now this part. This part we tricked ourselves a bit, but it's not a big deal. Okay, let's just move it here, extrude it here, and let's do the, select this, F, match shape, face, match face. Let's do the Alt-X here. We can always like do the Alt-X of this thing, but why if we're doing booleans? Yeah, it's basically this type of thing. Like that, like that. Okay, let me just put it here. We'll just match them on the grid. And I need this central point, boom. And I want it to be just nice little profile here. It's even lower, and I think it's even bigger than this, something like that, or smaller, I'm not sure. Let's check it out. Let's drop this guy a little bit higher here, much higher, like this. Good. Take this thing, and I think we should be able to do this. Let's try it. Let's put it a little bit lower. Yeah, so we can have just a little bit space for us here for creativity. Yeah, this is better. Let's put this guy a little lower and make it a little bit bigger. And just put it somewhere here. Yeah, I think something about like that. Let's just try it. Okay, let's move it here. Let's just match it here. Let me just turn it around here. Good. Yeah, but I've done a little mistake. Yeah, like this. But I need it a little bit higher, I think. Yeah, something like that. Good, let's get rid of this thing. Let's try to actually take this one and GV, put it in the center. GX to make it certainly in the center. Yeah, and this one we should match with this thing. Definitely should. So yeah, good. Okay, I want to be sure here. Okay, I definitely should have one there. Let's just duplicate it here. Put it something like that. Yeah, maybe we should make it a little bit wider here like this. I just Alt X and mirror them again. Interesting. And why are you so not in the center? Because it was not in the center. Keep in mind, guys, be very careful with this. Okay, let me just quickly fix it. Good, this is good. Alt X, let's just drop it here. Okay, now we secured. Let's do the C, cut, boom. Okay, let's take these things and delete them. Yeah, and now we have these things, but let me just try to do that. If I take this face and do F, match shape, select this, it will work. Good. I actually don't need that one. I will just mirror it. Okay, F, match face, and this won't work. No, this worked too. Cool. Okay, so I don't need this. Let me just Alt exit to this side and do a Q for merge it. Good, yeah, this looks cool. Okay, and now let's boolean this. Just let me do it like this. Let's move it over here somewhere, maybe a little bit in there. Yep, just take and T. Good. Okay, let's do chamfers. This and this should be similar. We just miss one thing here. It's not super sharp. Something like this. Okay, yeah. Whoa, beautiful shape, you know, I like it. And let's just bevel it like this. Sorry, chamfer it like this. Okay. And now I will do a Alt X and mirror it on the other side. Q for merge it. Good. And let's do some word stuff here. It is this thing. Can I just offset it? Or I can't? Yes, I can. And let's offset it somewhere here, I guess. Yep, good. And I need to shift D it, so I will have the nice curve. Let me see it back. Let me hide these guys here. Okay, and now I'll do this thing. Unwrap, boom. Of course you can. Okay, if you select it with the solid mode, it won't unwrap. Good. You need to be in a face mode. Okay. Drop a text here. Yep. Bonehead. Why not? Bonehead. Okay, let's go with space mono. Let's apply it. Let's make it smaller. Let's put it in the center. Let's drop it somewhere here. Okay, a little bit bigger. Let's just do it again. Oh, and let's just move it inside. 0.3. Good. Let's delete this one and let's just select all of this and delete it. Yup. We just need the central one. I want to do one thing here also. Let me just try to do this. Let me just drop the circle here. Just a little circle. Why not? So it's even smaller here, and let's delete this. I don't like it. Okay, F, deform that plane, and then flip, and then mirror. And then let's just put it a little bit lower here. Yeah, I think this one is the correct one. 16. Yeah, 16 is good. Let's just select this, Shift I, imprint it here. Actually, you know, we can just select like Control Shift Plus. Yep. And now with the control, deselect this and this and this and this. Okay. And also this should be like this. Good. Yeah, maybe these letters are a little bit distorted on the top. Literally, I don't care about that. It looks cool. Okay. So, if you're bothered about that, do the letters in another software, you know, or like in Substance Painter or something like that. You know, actually, I don't need it on the back side, I think. Yeah, let's fix. Nice. Okay, so I will just do this. Okay, Alt H. Good. Here you go. Here's your little nice beautiful shape. Let's give this one another color, something like orange and not so metallic, or roughness, not so rough. Yeah, like this. Good. Okay, here you go. Here's your tricky school busher shape. Have a good day, and as always, keep modeling, be a great person, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.